Did you know there's an explosion so powerful, it makes supernovae look like fireworks? The sun emits enough energy in 1 second to power the entire Earth for 4.4 million years. A typical supernova, it releases 10 billion years worth of the sun's energy, all at once. Then come superluminous supernovae, 4 times more powerful than normal ones. Tidal disruption events, where black holes rip apart stars, can be twice as energetic as those. But this time, astronomers observed an event believed to be an extreme type of tidal disruption, and it released over twice the energy of any known TDE to date. Researchers have named this event an extreme nuclear transient and described it as the most powerful explosion since the Big Bang. Figuratively speaking, what else could the universe be hiding?